Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on manually adding workouts to your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you forgot to wear your watch while doing an activity, it's possible to manually add a workout to your watch and health app. Here is how. On your iPhone, open up the Health app. In the Health app, tap on Browse from the bottom tabs, and then search for workouts. Tap the Workouts box. On the Workouts page, tap Add Data at the top right. You can now choose the type of activity, the calories burned, your distance, as well as your start time and end time. Tap Add at the top right once you are done. That workout will now be saved in your recent workouts in the Fitness and Health app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.